Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a few quick and simple ways to read those messages secretly without triggering the seen notification. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Okay, so let's say you want to read all the messages that this person has sent you, but also you don't want them to know that you have read the messages. In this case, what you want to do is to tap and hold the inbox of the person that you wanted to read the message and tap on restrict, and the inbox will disappear from your chat feed. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner and tap on the gear icon at the top, and now you have to simply scroll down and you will see option of privacy and safety in the preferences section. Just tap on it and tap on restricted accounts. In this page, you will find the account that you have restricted before. Tap on their inbox. And that's it. Now, you will be able to read their messages and the person will not find out that you have read the messages and you will be good to go. And if you want to reply this person, simply unrestrict. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.